Go! Here. In girls, come. Yes. Okay, what's your name?
Isita Thakur,
Okay, which class?
class 8.
What is your project name?
Project name is that we are replacing the alphabet with suitable number.
Okay, how it is working?
Here, A, B, C, D. Already numbers are given here. Numbers are given, but we do not know number. Then we do not know number, but if we need to get one,
Yes.
then we have to put here any suitable number so that we can get one. So 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Then here 1, then carry will be going this side. After that 8 plus 6, 8 plus 1 carry 9. And after 9 plus 6 is equal to 5, 15. Then here we have put 5. 1 is carry again. And here 5 plus 1, 6. And after that, and here,
Okay, don't worry. Very good. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Vidayana Gaganta.
What are you showing?
The project of the name is routine of formula A plus B square. So by this formula we can prove that how that I can get here A plus B square is equal to table A square plus 2AB plus B square. So first of all, you can see this.
Okay, likewise we can show.
It's A square, this line, and
Yes.
this is a B square. Total
A into B? Yes.
It's a total is a B square, but when we'll divide this in a sections, it
So
will
it is after adding? No.
Yeah.
Everything is coming similar, no?
so it will be A into A, and it will be A into AB, like how it is shown here in this second part, and it will be A into B.
Okay, very good. Nice job.
My name is and project name is String for Division.
Yes, what's your name?
my name is Pratibha Chela.
What is your project name?
My project name is polygons is equal to 360-degree exterior.
Okay.
So these are the steps here written. Step 1 is step 2. There are 5 steps, and after that observation and result is there. And here I have performed. Performing the step only, figure 1, figure 2 and figure 3, and here what I have got.
Okay, it means after whatever the angle is there, no? Suppose if we are adding, then it is giving this bigger size, no? Bigger angle? Okay, very good. What's your name?
My name is Rasmitani.
Yes. What is your project name?
Value and surface area of solid.
Yes.
This is cuboids and this is cube, and here is I have written formula of cuboids and here cube.
Okay, very good.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Usha Kumari and I had made division tricks. So in this we have
Turn this side.
in this we can make like this divide For this method is for children.
Yes.
That they can make like this. So this is the number 848 and divisor number is 4. So we had made there 4 lines and we had put it there 8 points and again 4 points and again 8 points. So we had put it there 8 points and we had made lines. So answer is 2 and again we had put it 4 points and we had made lines. So answer is 1 and this side 2.
Okay, very good. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Neha Sahu. I am from.
What is your project name?
This is matric for the fun purpose.
Okay.
No matter which three-digit number you will choose, you get 1089 as the final answer.
Okay, very good. What's your name?
My name is Sandeep Log. I am from class 8. I had made the Vedic trick for multiplication for first multiplication.
Okay, Vedic trick for multiplication. Okay, how it is working?
It's working by, we have to take any 2-digit number. For example, I have taken 94 into 36. First we have to check 9 into 3, 27 now. 9 into 6, 54 plus now. 4 into 3, 4 into 3, 12. Now we have to add this one 66 now. 4 into 6, we have to multiply 24. Now first we have to do 4, we have to take here 2 left. 2 we have to bring here 68. 8 we have to bring here now 6 into 27 we have to add 27 and 6 33. The total answer will come.
Okay, very good. Okay, what's your name? What is your project name?
Magic trick for age.
Okay, magic trick to get edge.
Yes.
Okay, what is your trick? What is your trick?
First we have to take number from 1 to 10. Then we have to multiply it with 2. Then we have to add 5. Then what number will get, we have to multiply with 50.
Yes.
If our birthday is passed, then we have to multiply 1774. If birthday is not passed, then 1773.
Okay.
How much number will get, we have to subtract with our date of birth.
Okay.
Then we'll get the number.
Yes. What's your name?
My name is Jimmy Sonu. This is my project. My project name is adding of numbers.
Adding of numbers.
There
Okay.
is two type of adding numbers. First even number and second consecutive number. Then 20 and 100. Even number, if you have to add even number with less one, then first we have to count how much even number is there. After that, one ahead number we have to multiply. The answer which will come, that is the answer. And in consecutive numbers, first we have to add 4. After that, which answer will come, then we have to write 5. Here also same like plus.
With one type of trick we can add, no? Very good. Yes, here. What's your name?
I'm Vikas Ram.
From class?
From class 8.
Yes. What's your project name?
My project name is adding method by short way.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Let me see. Yes.
Okay.
How it is working?
It's working by see if there is number 1 to 50. If there is, and we have to add, or 1 to 1000 we have to add, then we can't add by doing plus or whatever. So we have to take its half. 1000. Half of 1000 is 500.
500,
So we have to double it.
Yes.
And answer came. That is correct answer.
Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, what's your name? Which class?
8.
Yes. What is your project?
My project name is Vedic Break for addition. For this week, there are two methods. The first method is that when we add letter, we start from always from right side. But in this method, we start from left side. Like 8 plus 4 is equal to 12, and 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. But while writing this, always we have to left one number, and here also 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Then we have to add this number to, then 2 plus 1, 3, 1. Then easily we can get the answer at this rate.
Okay, and
5
here?
seconds also.
What is there?
Here is if the number of for adding we will get like this, then we can broke the numbers and we can add like 545. I have broke like 500 plus 40 plus 5, and here also 200 plus 70 plus 9, and 400 plus 70 plus 3. Like, and we have to add this 100 one first. After writing, I got 1100, and distance digit one I have to add. Then I got 180, and then I
Unit
add
place. We have to add unit place. Okay.
Yes. Then I got 17, and directly I
Final
add.
answer
Then
is?
final answer is 1297.
1297.
Yes.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. What's your name?
My name is Sonakshi.
Which class?
I'm from class 8.
What is your project name?
Pythagoras theorem.
Okay.
So in ancient times, there was a person whose name was Pythagoras. He have only discovered the.
Now just tell how it is working. Okay. How it is working.
So Pythagoras theorem formula is used in only right angle triangle, and if there will be given perpendicular and base, then we have to find the hypotenuse, and for finding that we have to use this method. H square is equal to p square plus b square, and whatever there will be we have to write, then we have to add, and whatever answer will come we have to take out the square root of that, then answer will be 10. Like that only. For finding others also we have to minus, but for finding the perpendicular we have to do perpendicular is square is equal to h square minus b square, then answer we can get.
Okay. Very good. Yes. What's your name?
My name is Siddharth.
What is your project name?
My project name is equal chords of a circle and a circle.
Okay.
So here we have to prove that both triangles are equal. So AO is 8 centimeters. So OC is also 8 centimeters. Therefore they both are equal. And OB is 8 centimeters and OD is also 8 centimeters. Therefore they both are equal. And AB is also 9.2 centimeters and BC is 9 centimeters. Therefore AOB and ODC are equal.
Okay. Very good. First project. What's your name?
My name is Durga Kumari. I'm a student of class 8.
Yes. What is your project name?
My project name is geometrical part. So you can see.
Geometrical part. Okay. Very good.
These are the types of quadrilaters, sine, trapezoid,
Okay. Different figures are there. Images are there. No.
rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram. These are set operations, seesaw. And these are the area of circle, segment, diameter, center. And these are the types of angles. Straight angle, reflex angle, full rotation, acute angle, right angle. And these are the types of triangles, like acute triangle, obtuse angle, right angle. These are the patterns.
Different types of triangles. No. Okay.
Here is the smile. These are the points and lines. Points which is the particular stop and which does not have any length and breadth. And these are the lines, rays, line segment.
And definition also there inside.
Yes.
Okay.
Line.
Very good.
How you are doing?
Yes.
Wait sir, let me arrange.
What's your name?
Wait sir, wait.
What's your name?
Her name is Nandini Kumari and I'm here to show you the magic of math. So I have the number of cards and I'll do this. You have to guess any number between
You have to guess any number between 1 to 21 and you have to write here. So, sir, you guess any number and just write here.
Okay,
she
yes.
is guessing. I'm not gonna see that number.
Yes.
1 to 21, yeah. Between 1 to 21, you have to choose any one number. And I'll distribute this card into 3 rows and you have to tell in which row that number has to go. I will do this 3 times. Tell me in which row the number is. I'll do this in 3 times. The second round. That video only from that time. Now tell me which second row. This second row. Okay. Now the last and the final round. This is the final round. Now tell him which row. Okay. So repeat that number 3 times in your mind. The number was 20. You can see it. The number was 20.
Yes, yes. You clap, 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 clap. Yes, yes, yes. Very good.